Opportunity means building a successful future in our industry that is rooted in hard work and providing exceptional service. Really putting the focus on creating those memorable guest experiences, fostering strong connections, and committing to excellence in everything I do.
Opportunity means being amongst the highest level of professionals in the hospitality industry, being a resource and being resourceful to friends and colleagues across the U.S. and around the world.
One of the foundations I've always believed in, and I speak about it often, is that when preparation meets opportunity, great things can happen. And of course, when you're in school, for instance, in School of Hospitality Business, you're preparing, and that gives you a great opportunity for wonderful things in your career. So you take the preparation, you mix in the opportunity that the School of Hospitality Business gives you, and you're off to the races, and you can have a great career.